Hello everyone, we are students of Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1 HR Nagar. We have come to know about ma'am and ma'am is going to address us. So I want to ask ma'am, please introduce the challenges you have faced during the establishment of this library.
I wouldn't say there were many challenges because this is a very first of a kind in Arunachal, and I think when there is something good, innovative idea in a society, people are always very receptive about it. Only problem is how to take care of it. We had built it with so much of love and sincerity. Only problem is the books, they keep disappearing, and the next readers, when they come, they don't find any good books to read. The children here, they will come and just take it away home, they won't return it back. That basic sense of responsibility and civic sense is missing, I think. तो हमारा प्रदेश जो है ऐसे ही मॉडर्न तो हो गया है, लेकिन सिविलाइजेशन में थोड़ा सा पीछे रह गया है. तो वो जो बेसिक जो ये सिविलाइजेशन नेचर है, इट शुड बी given by the parents and by the teachers and the elders in the community. तो ये नया कॉन्सेप्ट है, तो थोड़ा सा ये चेंजेस को अपनाने में तकलीफ हो रहा है. अदरवाइज ये आइडिया को तो सब लोग एक्सेप्ट तो कर रहा है. प्रॉब्लम है उसको कैसे आगे हम लोग उसको सस्टेन कर पाए. सस्टेनेबिलिटी में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है. एंड रिसेंटली वी हैव हर्ड द न्यूज़ ऑल्सो कि कुछ बच्चे जो है हमारा जो ब्रांड न्यू बुक्स है उनको जो इंस्टाग्राम पे हाफ प्राइस में sell it. Yeah. So it has become a business for some group of people here. तो nevertheless I'm not disheartened, क्योंकि हमको पता है, क्योंकि हमारा ये तो अभी जस्ट वी आर गोइंग बर्निंग स्टेज है. तो ये सब चैलेंजेस तो आते रहेंगे. इसमें अगर हम लोग हार मान के मिल जाएंगे तो हाउ कैन वी डेवलप आवर स्टेट. वी हैव टू कीप परसिस्टिंग. कोशिश तो करते रहेंगे.
Okay ma'am, what is your future goal now?
So far, since last year, we had built now 11th Free Street Library, including the interior districts in कुरुंग में न्योपिन टाउन है, कोलोरिंग टाउन है, जो एकदम बहुत सबसे ज़्यादा इंटीरियर है, वहाँ पे भी हमने इंस्टॉल किया है. तो अभी हमारा जो एम है वो तो चलते रहेगा. द डे टिल आई गेट फिजिकली डिसेबल्ड, या फिर हम आई विल नॉट बी फिट इनफ टू सर्व, तब तक हम लोग जो है नंबर्स को बढ़ाते रहेंगे जितना हो सके. अभी तो 11th है, तो it will take time to increase till 100, 200. So I believe many organizations, they are also coming up with new ideas to support us. जैसे IG पार्क में हमने एक खोला था, उसको देख के दूसरा एक यंग ग्रुप भी आके अपना भी इंस्टॉल किया है. So I believe together we can truly achieve this goal, our mission of library movement.
So my next question is regarding what you want to suggest the younger generation and upcoming youth.
I would like to say there are 3 ideals in our organization. The first thing is love, then laugh, and read. So I believe these 3 ideals can really help shape our society.
Ma'am, I have one more question regarding the woman empowerment. I have I have known that ma'am you are also doing something for women empowerment. Can you share something?
Yeah,
regarding
since
this?
2014, we had been teaching the adults, the old men and women of our society, to read and write. Those who had not gotten the chance to read while they were, because of social taboos like child marriage, forced marriage, they could not pursue their studies. And also some dropouts are there because of early marriages. As you know, अरुणाचल में कितना जल्दी शादी हो जाता है ट्राइबल्स लोग, तो उसके कारण जो उनका ड्रीम्स अधूरा रह जाता है. तो इन सब बच्चों को और एडल्ट्स को हमने एक अपॉर्चुनिटी दिया है टू रीड वंस अगेन. सो वी हैव बेसिक लाइक रीडिंग, राइटिंग, स्पीकिंग. तो उसमें भी बहुत सारा फॉर्मेट्स है, तो उसको हम लोग अच्छा से फॉर्मली कराते हैं विद बुक्स, NGO से बुक्स प्रोवाइड करके, एंड वी गिव सर्टिफिकेट्स ऑल्सो. And since the beginning, we did not get much support. Even husbands used to come and threaten us with doubts. क्यों पढ़ाते हैं हमारा wives को? They'll get very smart and they'll run away. Let them be less empowered. आप गलत रास्ता सिखा रहे हैं. So all these stuffs were there. Too many challenges in the field of adult education.
Yes.
लेकिन लाइब्रेरी का मामला में तो स्मूथ ही रहा है. Only problem is books चोरी हो जाता है ना. I have already
That's
told you.
okay.
Yeah. And then the 3 ideals which I was saying.